What's up guys, welcome back to this new video tutorial presented by IQcodec. My name is Ulrich and today I'm going to show you how to recover your YouTube channel. So I do have a friend, he recently encountered an issue with 2 or 4 couple of his videos, and what happened was he got banned from the YouTube program. And today I'm going to show you how to avoid this kind of circumstances. You'll be able to back up your videos, subscriptions, comments and subscribers, whatever comes with your YouTube channel. You'll be able to recover it with another account. Alright, so let's get into it. So firstly, what you're gonna do is go to your Google Chrome or whatever browser you're using and type takeout.google.com. okay, so when that's done, what you're gonna do is uncheck this, because you don't actually need to back up all of your Google information. But also, if you want to do that, you can also do it. Stuff like your contacts, your websites, your classrooms, stuff like cloud, pretty much a bunch of other stuff. All right, but what we're gonna check today is YouTube. So what you're gonna do is scroll down and check this one. All right, click on next. From there, you're gonna select export once, or you can also export every 2 months, depending on, like, if in case you uploading videos all the time, then yeah, you can still do that. All right, now scroll down, select zip file for Windows and DGZ for Linux, if in case you have a Linux or maybe Mac. I don't know if you can extract this file format on Mac. I'm not a Mac user personally, so I won't really tell, but you can also Google it and get more information about it. All right, now here you can decide how much gigs you want to split your contents into. I personally, this is just a test account, so I don't really have any YouTube channel with this account, but this following method would work if in case you had a YouTube channel or whatever as was associated to your YouTube page. All right, you can decide to, if you decide to take 2 gigs and let's say your YouTube channel content totalize of 10 gigs, you're gonna split the 10 gigs into the list of 2 gigs per file. Let's say, for example, you understand when I click create export, right? When I click on that, it may take longer depending on how much content you had on your YouTube channel. So from there, all you have to do is to wait. You don't necessarily need to stay on this page, but for the fact that I don't have a lot of content on my YouTube or on this account, it will take a couple of seconds. All right, so now all I can do is hit on download, and it will ask me to verify my account. All I have to do is just verify my account via my phone, or you can, it depends, you can link your phone to your account. It's a double if you like to. As far as I'm concerned, I do that and I like it. Yeah, from here we have the file, so we're gonna open it. As you can see, this is takeout, and here is your archivebrowser.html file, and this is where all of your content has been stored. Your history browsing, your comments, your live chats, your playlists, and your subscribers too. And pretty much depending, if you had a little bit more like your stories, or like I don't know, like pretty much a bunch of other stuff you could actually back up. So from there, you at this point you'll be able, if you want to restore all of this information to your YouTube channel, you may use a third party software, or most of the time, I don't know yet if YouTube have an option to recover all of that, or maybe you will have to re-upload them manually, but there should definitely be an option for that. All right, so when that's done, you're all good to go. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. This was really short, but in the next video I'll show you how to recover your YouTube channel with another account. I hope, if in case you will be ready for that, because I downloaded the file already and I'm gonna restore it on another account. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment if you enjoyed this video. I'll leave a link down below for the website if in case you need it. If you have any further question, drop your comment down below and I'll give you a response as fast as possible. All right, take care. Bye bye.